Hello kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing chapter 10 multiples and factors of class 4. So let's see, get started. You can see a beautiful picture over here. So one girl, Ria, wants to count the number of legs, but she is not able to see. So here it is given number of horses and number of legs. So one horse means how many legs? 4. 2 horses means 4 plus 4, 8, and 3 horses means 12, like this. So if there were 20 horses, what is the total number of their legs? So 20 into 4 you will do, and 4, 8, 12 and so on are multiples of 4. What we are getting over here, like here 4, then 8, then 12 means multiples of 4. Okay. Now see the first one, write the multiples as directed. A part. First 4 multiples of 7, you know table of 7. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, like this. And then you can do B part. 5th multiple of 9 means 9 5s are 45. Okay. Now the second one, color the circles which are not the multiples of the numbers in words. Okay, like A, 4. 4 के multiples क्या होंगे? 8 is the multiple, yes. 12 is the multiple. 14, no. 16 is the multiple, yes. 18, no. Okay, so like this you can find which are the multiples of 4 and which are not. Now we are talking about multiples in detail. So multiples, the multiples of a number are formed by multiplying it with other numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So a number can have unlimited multiples. हम multiples कैसे find कर सकते हैं? उस number को हम किसी भी number से multiply कर दें, you will get the multiple of that given number. Right? Example here, find the multiples of 3. Suppose हमें 3 के multiples find करने हैं. So let's start. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 10s are 30, 3 12s are 36. So like this you can find unlimited multiples. Okay. Similarly, अगर आपको 5 के multiples find करने हैं, 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. So what is the multiple of a number? That is the number into any number. किसी भी number से उसको हम multiply कर दें, उसका multiple आ जाएगा. Okay. The next is properties of multiples. The first point, every number is a multiple of 1. Okay, like for example 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 3, 3, right? The second one, the first multiple of every number is the number itself. जो first multiple होगा किसी number का, वो number ही होगा, वही number होगा. Okay. The third point, a number can have infinite multiples. किसी भी number के हम unlimited multiples find कर सकते हैं. It means that there is no limit of the multiples we can get because we can keep on multiplying. आप multiply करते जाओ, you will get the multiples, right? Next point, fourth point, a multiple of a number is exactly divisible by that number. जो भी मल्टीपल होगा गिवन नंबर का वो उस नंबर से एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल होता है. लाइक सपोज 12 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3, 3 4s are 12. ओके. 25, 5 5s are 25. ओके. नाउ कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. कॉमन मीन्स जो दोनों के पास हो या ज़्यादा नंबर्स हो जो दोनों में सेम हो. Multiples that are common to 2 or more numbers are called common multiples. For example, multiples of 2, हमने multiples of 2 लिखे and then we are writing the multiples of 3. Okay. Now we can see the multiples. 6 is in both. 6 common है, 12 is common, 18 is common. So what are these? These are the common multiples of 2 and 3. तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? 6, 12, 18 like this. So they are showing us on a number line. Here they are showing us like this. पहले 2 का मल्टीपल है 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2 2 steps. फिर 3 के मल्टीपल्स हैं 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 like this. And now they are marking with the blue common one. Okay, so it's very easy and interesting. So like this you can do exercise 10.1. It's very easy. Like the first one, filling the blanks. A part, a multiple of any number is a number which can be exactly divisible by that number. And B part, every number is the multiple of 1. Okay, so like this. Now second question, write the next 3 multiples of A part 4. 4 ke multiples you can find. B part 8, you can find multiples of 8. So like this you can try remaining parts. Now we are coming to odd and even numbers. Odd and even numbers, what's the meaning of these? Even numbers. All the multiples of 2 are called even numbers, mean जो 2 के table में numbers आते हैं, those numbers are even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so these are the even numbers. So even numbers can be divided by 2. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं जो even numbers हैं we can divide it by 2, and odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Even numbers हैं divided by 2 और odd numbers are those which are not divisible by 2. So odd numbers which are not the multiples of 2 or which are not divisible by 2. Okay, those are called odd numbers. So some example 1, 3, 5, 9. These numbers are not divisible by 2. So these are not even number. These are odd numbers. So 1 is the smallest odd number and 2 is the smallest even number. Okay. So some points given over here. A number is even if its last digit ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. अगर last में 0 आ जाए, 2, 4, 6, 8 आ जाए, so that number is an even number. And number is odd if its last digit ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. अगर किसी number के end में 1 आए, 3 आए, 5 आए, it means that is an odd number, right? So hence we can identify odd or even numbers by looking only at its last digit. Now exercise 10.2, question number 1, circle all the even numbers below. Find all the even numbers. Like first, even or odd? First is 4, it is even. 15 odd, 25 odd, 16 is an even number, 7 is odd, 2 is an even number, 6 is an even number. Like this you can find. Similarly second question, circle all the odd numbers below. First number is 13, this is an odd number, 6 is even, 88 even, 55 odd number, 91 odd number, 7 odd number, like this. Okay. Now third one, write the next 5 odd numbers after. A part 11. 11 के बाद next number कौन सा होगा? 13, 15 means 2 का difference, 17, 19, 21, 129 है तो next number 131, 133, like this you can find odd numbers. Similarly fourth question, write the next 5 even numbers after. अब A part है 46 तो even number 48, 2 का difference 50, 52, like this. And similarly B part 112 है तो 114, 116, 2 difference. Okay. Now the fifth one, write the following numbers. A part, the smallest even number, that is 2. B part, the smallest odd number, that is 1. C part, the largest 2-digit even number, सबसे बड़ा 2-digit even number. 100 is 3-digit number, उससे पहले 99, but that is an odd number. So 98 even number. Okay, and the largest 2-digit odd number, that is 99, right? So like this you can try remaining parts. Now we are coming to LCM, lowest common multiple. The smallest common multiple of 2 or more numbers is called the lowest common multiple, or in short we can write LCM. Now example, find the lowest common multiples of 2, 4 and 6. So what is the solution? How to do it? So first we list the multiples of each number. अब हर एक number के multiples लिख दो. Like multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? Then multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12 like this, and then multiples of 6. Now find the common multiples. अब इनमें common find करो. So 12 is common, then 24 is common, then 36 is common. देखो 12 से starting है, तो it means next would be 12 plus 12, 24. Then next would be 24 plus 12, यानी 12 के multiples आएंगे अब इसमें. 12, 24, 36 like this. So what is the least? सबसे छोटा कौन है? That is 12. So what is the LCM? LCM is 12. Okay. Next exercise 10.3. You can try these one yourself. Now we are coming to factors. So factors means what? We have done multiples. अब factors की बात करते हैं. So when two numbers are multiplied with each other, each of the number is a factor of the product. See example 5 into 4, 20. It means 20 is the multiple of 5 and 4, and 5 and 4 are the factors of 20 because 5 और 4 20 को exactly divide करते हैं. Okay, so 5 and 4 both are the factors of 20. So 20 is a multiple of both 5 and 4. So a number which divides other number exactly without leaving any remainder is called the factor. अगर एक नंबर दूसरे नंबर को डिवाइड कर दे without leaving any remainder, so जो first number है that is the factor of the given number. Like 5 divides 20 exactly, so 5 is a factor of 20. 4 is a factor of 20. See example, list all the factors of 20 and 45. अब 20 के हमें सारे factors लिखने हैं, तो आपने what to do, you have to start from 1. 1 into 20, आप देखो 20 multiply कैसे आएगा, 1 into 20 करके, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20, बस इन tables में आता है, right? तो इसके factors कौन कौन से आ जाएंगे, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So these are the factors of 20. Similarly 45 है, अब 45 किस टेबल में आता है, first you will start from 1, 1 into 45 is 45, 3 15s are, 5 9s are. Now write 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So it's very interesting. So some properties of factors. Number 1, 1 is the factor of every number. 1 जो है वो हर एक नंबर को डिवाइड करता है. That's why 1 is the factor of every number. The second point, the greatest factor of every number is the number itself. किसी भी नंबर के आप फैक्टर्स फाइंड करेंगे, जो ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर होगा वो नंबर ही होगा. आप देखिए फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6, 1, 2, 3 एंड 6. बिकॉज 6 से बड़ा कोई नंबर 6 को डिवाइड नहीं कर सकता ना. दैट्स वाई 6 is the biggest factor of 6, right? Similarly, factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now, number 3, when a number is divided by its factor, the remainder is 0. जब हम number को किसी factor से divide करते हैं, remainder should be 0. Okay, you can see 80 divided by 10 equals to 8. So 10 and 8 are the factors of 80, right? Now we are talking about highest common factor. Short में हम बोलते हैं HCF. The largest common factor of 2 or more numbers is called the highest common factor. See how, example, find the HCF of 30, 18 and 36. Now 3 numbers given here. Factors of 30, you know how to find the factors of 30. आप लिख लेंगे इसको like this. Then find factors of 18. We got the factors of 18. Now find the factors of 36. हमने लिख दिया. Now we are finding the common factors. 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common and 6 is common. Okay. So common factors 1, 2, 3 and 6. So what is the highest? सबसे बड़ा number कौन सा है? 6. So what is HCF? HCF is 6. Okay. So one point is given over here. A factor is the number which divides another number completely without leaving a remainder. Exercise 10.4, based on such type of question, you can try these sums. Now we are coming to prime and composite numbers. Very interesting. Prime numbers, a number that has exactly two factors, जो सिर्फ दो नंबर से divisible हो, one and itself. One से तो सब number divide होते हैं and number itself. So that is called a prime number. A number that has exactly two factors, itself and one, is called a prime number. Like 7. 7 को 1 and 7 divide कर सकता है, तो 7 is a prime number. You can see one group of 7 or 7 group of 1. So 7 is a prime number. Some other examples like 2. 2 को 1 और 2 divide कर सकते हैं, 3 को 1 and 3 कर सकते हैं, 5 को 1 and 5. So we have some prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So all are prime numbers. Now we are coming to composite numbers. Composite numbers क्या है? जो prime नहीं है, means जिनके factors हैं 2 से ज़्यादा, okay? जो किसी और number से भी divisible हैं. So a number that has more than 2 factors is called composite numbers. You can see example, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. It has so many factors, so 12 is a composite number. It's not a prime number. So there are so many examples of composite numbers. Now example 3, which of the following numbers are prime? Like A, 3, yes, it's a prime number because it has only 2 factors, 1 and 3. Now B part, 10, 10 के factors हैं 1, 2, 5, 10, so it's a composite number. C part 17, 17 सिर्फ 1 और 17 से divisible है, so it's a prime number. And D part 35, 35 is divisible by 5 also, by 7 also, so it's not a prime, it's a composite number. Okay. Now there is one very important table, that is sieve of Eratosthenes. So that is a Greek mathematician. He found a very important table in the century, 3rd century BC. So this method is known as sieve of Eratosthenes. So you can see, let us find prime numbers from 1 to 100. There is one table 1 to 100 given. So see how to find it. Steps. One step, draw a square around 1 as it is neither prime nor composite. जो 1 है, this is neither prime nor composite. Okay. Now we are starting from 2. Step 2, encircle 2 and cross out all the multiples of 2. अब हम 2 पे आएंगे और जितने भी इसके multiples हैं सबको cross कर दो, like 4, 6, 8, 10. Now circle 3 and cut out all the multiples of 3. Then next step, encircle 5 and cross out all the multiples of 5 that have not already been crossed out. Then next 7, encircle 7 and cross out all the multiples of 7 that have not already been crossed out. So continue this process and we can cut the numbers which are the multiples of the circled numbers, and now we are getting this one. Okay. So exercise 10.5, question number 1, check whether the number is prime or composite by listing its factors. A part 5, 5 has 2 factors only, 1 and 5, so 5 is a prime number. Similarly B part 15, its factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15, so it's a composite. So like this you can try this exercise. Now we are coming to prime factorization. Every composite number can be written as the product of prime factors. This product is called its prime factorization. See how. Example, the prime factorization of 18. 18 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 into 3 into 3. So we can find the prime factors of any number by 2 methods. There are 2 methods. The first one is factor tree method and the second one is division method. So see the first one, factor tree method. In this method, we keep breaking down a composite number into prime factors. Example, write the prime factorization of 36. 36 लिखेंगे, ब्रेक करेंगे 2 इंटू 18 को ब्रेक करेंगे 2 इंटू 9 को ब्रेक करेंगे 3 इंटू 3. ओके, सो हाउ वी डिड इट, 36 को हमने 2 से डिवाइड किया, वी आर गेटिंग 2 and 18. नाउ 2 इज अ प्राइम. अब 18 इज अ कंपोजिट. अब 18 को डिवाइड कर दो बाय 2 इंटू 9. अब 2 इज अ प्राइम नंबर. अब 9 को फिर हम ब्रेक कर देंगे 3 इंटू 3. सो द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 36 इज 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3. राइट. Division method. By the division method we keep dividing the number with a prime divisor. Okay, 2 in this case. Now you can see example, write the prime factorization of 96. अब 96 जो है वो 2 से divisible है, so we are starting with 2. 96 को divide करो 2 से 48. अब 48 को divide करो 2 से 24. 24 is divisible by 2 again, तो फिर 2 से करेंगे like this. So we keep taking the quotient as the new dividend till we get the smallest prime number at the end. इसको आपने divide करते जाना है जब तक आपके पास एक smallest prime number नहीं आ जाता. So you have to keep on dividing till you get the prime number. तो आपके पास 3 आ गया. Now leave it. So what is the prime factorization of 96? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. जो भी इन प्राइम नंबर्स हैं इनको आप लिख देंगे with multiply sign. Okay. So now exercise 10.6 is based on such type of question. You can try it. Now there are some test of divisibility. आपने चेक करना है कि कोई नंबर किसी given number से divisible है या नहीं है. See how we can find out if a number is divisible by another number by some basic rules of divisibility without actually dividing the number. बिना divide किए हुए we can find it. So some numbers given here and divisibility test given here and some examples also. So first is 2. 2 से चेक करने के लिए what will you see? If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. For example, 168. It is ending with 8, so it is divisible by 2. Okay. Now number is 3. अब 3 से कैसे चेक करेंगे? If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. जो भी number है उसके digits का sum, like 168 is here. Digits 1 plus 6 plus 8, sum is 15 and 15 is a multiple of 3. So 168 is divisible by 3. Okay. Now अब number है 4. 4 से check कैसे करेंगे? If the number formed by the last 2 digit is divisible by 4. अगर last के 2 digit जो हैं वो 4 से divisible हैं, it means the full number, the whole number is divisible by 4. Like 4316, last में 16 है, so this is divisible by 4. Now how to check by 5? If the last digit is 0 or 5. अगर कोई number 5 या 0 से end हो रहा है, like 195, it is also divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. Now by 6, if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, अगर number दोनों से divisible है 2 and 3 से, then that number is divisible by 6. Like 168 is divisible by 2 also, by 3 also, so this is divisible by 6 also. Now how to check by 8? If the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. अगर last के 3 digits 8 से divisible हैं, then the number is divisible by 8. Like 7120, अब आप 120 check करो, it is divisible by 8? Yes, by 15. So this whole number is divisible by 8. Now how we can check by 9? Same जैसे हम 3 में check करते हैं sum of digits, ऐसे इसमें भी हम sum of digits लेंगे. If the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Like 549 है, आप sum of digits करेंगे, 5 plus 4 plus 9, 18, it is divisible by 9, so this number is divisible by 9. Now by 10, if the last digit is 0, अगर end में 0 है, then that number is divisible by 10. Okay. So, exercise 10.7 you can do like the first question, which of the following are divisible by 2? Like A part 118, yes, because last is 8. B 325, no, because last is 5. Now, second question, which of the following are divisible by 3? Like A part 804. So, what will you do? 804 you will take sum of digits. 8 plus 4, that is 12, and 12 is a multiple of 3. So, it is divisible by 3. 921, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Like third question, which are divisible by 9? A part, sum of digits, 3 plus 6 plus 9, 18. Yes, this is divisible by 9. Now, fourth question, which are divisible by 5? Last digit is 0, yes. Last is 4, no. Last is 5, yes. So, like this you can try remaining parts. Now, we are coming to MCQs. The first one, the first multiple of 7 is 7 only, C part. The second one, dash is the factor of all numbers. So, which number divides all numbers? 1. The third one, the smallest factor of 27 is 1 only, A part. The fourth one, the largest factor of 24 is 24 only, C part. And the last is smallest prime number is B part 2. Okay. So, thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.